Before we get deep into building your business, let's sharpen the foundation. Great web design. No matter how strategic your business is, if your websites don't work well for users, clients won't come back and won't refer you. So in this lesson, we'll focus on 3 essentials: UI, UX, and accessibility. Let's break them down. First, UI, user interface. This is all about how the website looks and feels. It's the colors, fonts, layout, and visual hierarchy. A clean, modern interface builds trust the moment someone lands on a page. Here are key UI principles to keep in mind. Consistency. Use consistent spacing, buttons, and typography. It keeps the experience cohesive and professional. Clarity. Every element should be obvious. What's clickable, where to go next, what's most important. Visual hierarchy. Guide the eye with contrast and size. Headlines, subheads, and calls to action should stand out clearly. Responsiveness. Your design should look just as good on mobile as it does on desktop. This isn't optional anymore. It's expected. Strong UI helps a site look polished, credible, and easy to navigate. But looks aren't everything. That's where UX comes in, user experience. UX is all about how a website works. It's the structure, flow, and behavior of your site. You can have the most beautiful site in the world, but if users can't find what they need or don't know what to do, they'll leave. Here's what great UX includes. Clear navigation. Menus should be simple and intuitive. Don't bury important pages. Logical flow. Think like a user. What's the first thing they'll want to do? What path should they follow? Speed matters. Load time affects bounce rate. Optimize images and reduce clutter. Conversion focus. Every page should guide the user to take an action. Buy, book, sign up, contact. UX is where your strategy shines. You're not just designing pretty pages. You're helping users move toward goals, and that makes your work incredibly valuable. Finally, accessibility. This is about making your sites usable for everyone, including people with disabilities. And it's not just ethical. It's smart business and, in many countries, a legal requirement. Here are some core accessibility best practices. Use proper heading structure. Screen readers rely on these to understand your content. Color contrast. Make sure text is readable against the background, even for users with low vision. Alt text for images. This helps screen readers describe visuals to users who can't see them. Keyboard navigation. Make sure users can navigate without a mouse. Designing with accessibility in mind shows that you're a professional who understands inclusive, user-first design. Clients love that, and users trust it. So here's your takeaway. UI makes your site beautiful. UX makes it functional and strategic. Accessibility makes it inclusive and ethical. Mastering these 3 areas will make you a better designer, a stronger business owner, and a partner your clients rely on. In the next lesson, I'll introduce you to the tools that will help you bring these principles to life with confidence and efficiency. Let's keep going.